What if you could create stunning designs on your phone in just a few taps? You can, and it starts with mastering one simple trick: setting an image as a background in Canva Mobile. Let's take a look at it step by step, but stick around because there is a small tweak at the end that will make your backgrounds look way more professional. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, grab it from your app store. It's free to use and take just a moment to set up. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home screen where everything starts. See that big plus icon in the middle? Tap it. That's your starting point for creating a new design. Now, you will be asked to pick a design type. Canva offers dozens: YouTube thumbnail, Instagram posts, story templates, and more. Don't stress about picking the right one. Your background image can be set on any format. Just choose the one that matches what you are planning to create. Once you are in the editor, it's time to bring in your image. Look at the menu bar at the bottom of your screen. Find the option that says Elements or Uploads. This is where you add photos to your project. Want to use one of your own pictures? Tap Uploads and select it from your phone gallery, or explore Canva's built-in Pro library. It's fun with free and premium images that look incredible. When your image is on the canvas, here comes the important part. Tap it once, you will see 3 dots next to the image. Tap on it, and you will see a menu at the bottom of your screen. Here, scroll down until you see an option that says Set as a Background. Tap that. Instantly, your image will stretch to fill the entire design space. That's it. You've just set a background in Canva. And here you have it. Setting an image as a background on Canva Mobile is quick, simple, and powerful once you know the steps. Ready to create something amazing? Open Canva and try it right now. You will see just how much better your designs can look with a perfect background.